Hi guys and welcome. My Lookfantastic box has arrived and for some reason I've been sent too. Yeah, which is nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this one away in this video, so make sure you'll watch right to the end and I will tell you how you can win this box. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, make sure you've got the kettle on, you've pulled up a chair, and let's dive into this box. I've got a confession to make. I have seen a spoiler for this box and I'm not impressed. I said that after I've said I'm going to give one away. Yeah, I'm not impressed at all. This is supposed to be a Christmas box, although apart from the colour here, this doesn't scream Christmas at all. Yeah, and I've seen what's inside, so we're going to dive in. There isn't a leaflet, unfortunately, with this box, and I've checked. There isn't one in the one I'm giving away either. Lookfantastic did send me an email and gave me a link for kind of like, you know, the electronic magazine. So I'm going to give you a cheeky sneaky peek first, and here we go. That's what it looks like. I have checked the other box, it is identical. I just don't want to tear the packaging too much, just because I don't want to ruin what it looks like inside, but I will pop some extra packaging material to make sure it's safe for when it travels. I am going to show you what's coming up next month. Now, you know, I've received this item a few times before. Not overly impressed, but here we go. I do like it, so I will use it. I do apologise, it's on my phone. You may not be able to see it properly, but I will pop it up on the screen. So if you don't want to know what's coming next month, close your eyes. And there we go. It's very difficult to see just because of the lighting and everything, so I will pop it up. Well, you may be able to see it now. I will pop it up on the screen what it actually is. You can open your eyes now. Yeah, so like I said, it's an electronic magazine, so that is what I'm going to be referring to. I really don't like the electronic magazine very much. It's just a bit of a pain. I know it's better for the environment, but you know, I'm not a fan. Right, the first item I'm going to pull out is the Starskin VIP, the gold eye mask, and this is revitalising luxury gold foil eye masks, and we've got one set in there. It's a bit boring. It is Christmas. I'm expecting something, you know, glitzy and stuff like that. I know it's gold, but come on. Yeah, we've got the instructions on the back, which is quite cool. And yeah, I'm just, like I said, just disappointed. I will just read from the magazine. And it says, give your under eye skin the luxury treatment it deserves. Revitalise tired and dull looking skin with these 24K gold eye masks. Perfect for boosting the firmness and elasticity of the delicate skin area. The formula features 83% Rose of Jericho, known for its revitalising properties. And it says, removing the plastic layers beneath each mask, apply under eyes and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently pat in any remaining serum once removed. So it's just, you know, kind of like your basic eye mask. I'm going to keep hold of it and give it a go. I may do it in a Mask Monday because I'm going to start that back up again. But yeah, it's just a bit boring, to be honest. Now the next item I've got here, I'm not going to open it up because I have several of these anyway, so I will put it by for a future giveaway, which I've got coming near Christmas. And this is the Hollywood Browser Hair Removal and Dermaplaning Tool. You can use it for eyebrows, it removes it with peach fuzz, it exfoliates, and you get one browser and one protective pouch in there. So, you know, it's quite cool because I do like Lookfantastic do put tools in, which is good, but I've got loads of these and I'm sure you've got quite a few of these lying around as well. Tells you how to use it on the back. You just need to be so careful with these because this is a razor blade. You are taking a razor blade to your face. I've got shaky hands and I always like hold my breath. So I'm doing it, I get a bit scared. But yeah, I do mine every sort of 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm going to put that one by for a giveaway. From what I can see, to be honest, in this box, there's really not very much I am going to be keeping. and Lookfantastic have said this is the answer to pain-free hair removal. Well, that's only if you don't cut yourself. It says around the eyebrow, Hollywood standard brows just got easier. The compact shape makes it perfect travel size tool for any night out. Simply remove the cover and gently brush at a 45-degree angle for small touch-ups on the go. And it says you place the tool at a 45-degree angle on clean, dry skin. It's best to use a toner or an astringent for the best results. Comb the tool across your skin using short, light, feathery strokes. Now, I normally, when I do mine, go in with a cleanser, make sure my skin is really clean, go in with my toner afterwards, and then, like the instructions say, a 45-degree angle, and that's when I go kind of over my face, and I get rid of my moustache and any kind of other hair that are lying around. Maybe the odd one or two that are poking out the chin. So yeah, they're good. It's just, you know, everybody has them. So, you know. But the next item, this one here, I could do with. I currently work night shifts, so I sleep during the day. And it's not overly dark in here during the day. So yeah, I could do with this. This is from the brand Glove, and it's a satin sleeping mask. And it says, sleep like a queen and wake like a goddess. Now, this feels really nice and soft. It is satin, so satin is nice. And it says, Glow Satin Sleep Mask improves the quality of sleep. I cannot say that. Facilitating deep relaxation and a healthy nap, which is cool. Sorry, I've got a really itchy nose and I've just done my makeup and I'm smudging everywhere. So that's great. Yeah, so I am going to keep hold of that one. I'm looking forward to using that. Let's just see what Lookfantastic have said about it. I'm sorry, I've had to kind of screenshot the magazine. And it says, this sumptuously silky sleep mask is the epitome of luxury, made from 100% mulberry silk. This mask will ensure your beauty sleep remains just that. Perfect rest for beautiful skin. Ideal for travel, this mask reduces lines caused during sleep. And it says, this makes the ideal travel accessory when flying to reduce light and tension caused during the flight. So, you know, you can travel with it, you can use it at home. You know, it's quite flexible. Now, this next item, it's the LMS Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. It's anti-aging. There's 30 mils in here. I think this is worth about £30. I'm not going to keep hold of this. I'm going to pass it on. I'm just going to make sure it's sealed. Yes, it is. It's sealed. So this will be going in my giveaway coming later this month. I can't get on with the brand LMS. There's too much fragrance in there for my skin. And I just don't like it, so I'm going to pass this one on. I'm not going to read you any information for it because we've seen this product time and time again. I think I got one, it was either the cleanser or the marine cream in Glossybox recently, because I've got that put by for a giveaway as well. Now, the next item we have, I received in a Glossybox recently, and I've decluttered it in my blush declutter. This is from the brand Lottie London. It's an ombre blush in the shade Haze. Now, it's not sealed, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to pass this one on as well. Like I said, I've kind of decluttered it because I didn't reach for it. So I'm going to pass that one along. And I think the last item we have in this box, I also got in a recent Glossybox, just in a different shade. This is from the brand Eco, and it's a Spotlight highlighter pencil, and it's in the shade Pearl. Now, I had a check before I started this video. Mine's in the shade Champagne, but I'm going to pass this one along because I do not need two in two different shades. I don't think I've used the one that I have at the moment, so yeah, going to be passing that one along. So, like I said, overall, this box, it's quite disappointing. There's a lot of stuff in there that we've received from Glossybox recently. I think they're going to start losing some subscribers, because, you know, if you subscribe like me to Glossybox and Lookfantastic, I will either have one or the other if they're going to start doubling up on products. I kind of subscribed to Lookfantastic because it was more skincare based. Glossybox is more makeup based. Now they're just doubling up on products. So, you know, I'm kind of getting to the point now where I'm thinking, what is the point? I'm getting double the amount. So, moving on. This is the one I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to try and just open this up just to show you. I don't want to trash this packaging. There we go. So everything is in here. It's all intact. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to send that out. The rules, as per usual, make sure you're subscribed. Give this video a really big thumbs up. It helps me out to let me know what kind of videos you like and what you don't like. It's open internationally, so I will be happy sending this out all around the world because we are a international family. We're everywhere now. So yeah, I will pop the rules in the description box below. I'm going to leave it open for a couple of weeks just to let everybody kind of see it. And yeah, 2 weeks today maybe I will do an announcement on who's the winner. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you ring the bell. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this box. I would love to know what you think. I'm kind of inside, I'm really unhappy. I'm a bit peeved, to be honest. So yeah, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you'll join me again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.